terminology in polymers. What are the terminology used in polymers? So first one is a monomer. Okay, monomers, it is a simple small molecules. Okay, simple and small molecule structure. It is single unit or single mer. Okay, is a single unit or single mer is a polymers. Okay, next one is the polymer is a combination of many monomers give the polymers. Okay, combination of many monomers gives the polymers. Okay, ethylene. Okay, single ethylene is one monomer, so single ethylene. So another one single ethylene, two ethylene combine of two ethylene give the polyethylene. Okay, is for polymer. Okay, combination of two ethylene give the polyethylene. This is called for polymers. So it's a combination of many. So another one is ethylene, so it is also polyethylene. So next is polymerization. Okay, the in this process of the monomers is converted to the polymer is the polymerization process. Okay, this process is called polymerization. Ethylene is converted into polyethylene. This process is called for polymerization process. Okay, next is the homopolymer. The homopolymer means is the same monomer. Okay, so mixing of same monomers is called for homopolymers. Okay, is the same monomer. So ethylene. Okay, next one is the copolymers. Is the polymers by different type of monomers. The polymer is formed by different type of monomers. So M1 is one type of polymers, M2 is another one type of polymers. Is called for copolymer process. So next one is the degree of polymerization. Is degree of polymerization is the degree of polymerization is the ratio of molecular weight of a polymer to the molecular weight of a single monomer. So polymer divided by ratio is called polymer material divided by n number of monomers. Okay, so is the polymer entire structure, final structure. It is the n into m. N is the number of monomers involved for this polymerization process. Mn is the monomers. Okay, so suppose in case polymers weight is 10 divided by 2 polymers means, okay, number of polymers, number of monomers 2. Okay, this weight is 4. Okay, this only 10 into divided by 8. Okay, is the ratio of degree of polymerization. Okay, polymer weight is 10 gram. Okay, for example 10 gram. So this is a 4 monomers, 2 monomers involved for this polymerization process is 2. Okay, weight of the single monomer is 4 gram. Okay, 10 divided by 8. So this is the degree of polymerization process. Okay, weight of the polymer to the molecular weight of the single monomer. Okay, so next one is a linked. Okay, say linked polymer. Okay, this is the one polymers linked to another monomers is linked. Okay, this is a linked end to end chain, single chain. Okay, is called linked. Next one is the branched. Okay, side branch chain connected to main link. This is main link means another one is side. Okay, side link. Okay, this is the branched polymers. Next one is a cross linked. Okay, so another one is a cross link. So another polymers, two single chain polymer, so connect by the cross. Okay, இது ஒன்று ஒரு linked polymers, இது ஒரு linked polymers. இது ரெண்டையும் கனெக்ட் பண்ணால் என்னது, that is called for cross linked. Next one is the network polymers. Okay, this is a 3-dimensional networks. So இப்போ என்னன்னா எல்லா சைடும் இருக்கும். ஓகே, 3-dimensional networks, 3 active covalent bonds, so linked to the all the side is the networks. Okay, next one is isomerism. Okay, what is meant by isomerism? Different atomic configuration is possible for all the same configuration. Okay, different atomic configuration. ஸோ ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் வந்து another ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஃபார்மில் நம்ம கொண்டு போக முடியும். அதுதான் வந்து ஐசோமெரிசம் சொல்கிறோம். டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அட்டாமிக் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன் இஸ் பாசிபிள் ஃபார் த சேம் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன். ஃபார் பியூட்டேன் டு ஐசோபியூட்டேன் இஸ் த same configuration, same material, so same configuration is different. Okay, is butane is the isobutane. Okay, so this is a carbon structure. Okay, this is a carbon structure. Hydrogen, this one a hydrogen. This is a butane. This is called butane. this one type of configuration. This configuration also carbon carbon. So another configuration carbon carbon carbon. So another carbon present like that. Okay. So hydrogen hydrogen the and connectivity. Okay. This is the butane is isobutane. So one configuration is possible for the different atomic configuration. Okay. So is called isomerism type of polymers. So example is butane to isobutane structure. Okay. Thank you.